Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. Today we'll talk about L-Arginine and its effect on erectile dysfunction. L-Arginine is an amino acid that is produced in our body and is very commonly used supplement. L-Arginine can be used to improve the symptoms of erectile dysfunction because of its effect on blood flow and circulation. Erectile dysfunction is the common condition in which man has difficulty achieving the erection or maintaining the erection. There can be multiple causes or underlying causes for erectile dysfunction, but the common factor among all is the poor blood flow to penis. So when the penis is not getting enough blood flow, it will be very difficult to achieve proper erection or maintain it for longer time. L-Arginine is thought to improve the blood flow by increasing the nitric oxide production and by relaxing blood vessels. Some studies have shown that L-Arginine can help improve mild to moderate symptoms of erectile dysfunction. L-Arginine can also be taken with other traditional ED medication like Viagra and Cialis to improve the effectiveness of other ED medications. Before you do high dose of L-Arginine, make sure you talk to the medical provider because L-Arginine can drop your blood pressure. So if you have any blood pressure problem or heart problem, make sure you talk to your medical provider before starting high dose of L-Arginine. Here at MyFitMed, we do IV L-Arginine to improve the blood flow and circulation. Along with L-Arginine, we give other amino acid, vitamins and minerals to improve your overall wellness and performance. Give us a thumbs up for more videos.